Hey angels, glad to see you guys back for another video. So it's Saturday and I'm sitting out here in my car. 6:53 and I'm about to do some cleaning. Looks like my hubby left a few papers and stuff in the seat, and we need to get all of this out. We have hand sanitizer, a box of Band-Aids, we got some napkins, ink pen, got the trash bag down there. So all of this stuff needs to get in the trash, and I need to I'm not like going to the car. I don't feel like going to the car wash today. I went to the car wash last week, and I'm gonna do a little cleaning right now. Just at home, I'm gonna clean the inside. So this is just a different little vlog of me cleaning my car. This needs to go in the trash. Yeah, that's this grocery receipt. Just of me cleaning my car and just talking about a few things that's on my mind. Let's see what this is. This is, what is this? Receipt. Okay, I'm not gonna put that receipt in the trash. He probably needs that. And I'm quick to throw things in the trash. Very quick. He's probably gonna need this lottery information in case we win the lottery. That would be nice if we do. So I'll put that right here in the side of the door. And I got these disinfectant wipes that, what it says, disinfectant wipes. It kills 99.9% of bacteria in 15 seconds. Kills cold and flu virus. Well, anyway, I got these from Dollar General, and usually when I'm doing my little cleanup in the car at home, I like to clean up with those. Okay, so we're just gonna stick this back in here. Stick that charger thing in there. Well, I don't need to, I got my car on because I got the heater on right now. I don't know if you guys are cold, but yeah, you know, I get cold really fast. So right now I have the heater on. And as you see, I'm wearing my black nylon socks today. Really, my feet are so ashy right now, honestly. They need some lotion. But that's okay. I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting around home, so whatever. I'll put some lotion on them later. Let's put this cord back in here. Close that. And then we're going to, oh my God, angels, too, my feet, oh my God, my foot is killing me today because it's hurting. Because last night when, after I was walking out the kitchen from cooking, oh my God, I walked in the room and I had my boots sitting on the floor, and I had the light cut off, and I didn't see where my boots was. Like, I thought I had them in the corner, but for some reason they weren't in the corner. They was like in the middle of the floor, and I end up stepping on them. And I don't know, like, I guess it's this sharp piece in them, like, stuck my foot to the bottom, and my foot is hurting today. It feels like it's a little swollen under the bottom too. I don't know. That's what it looked like too. Okay, but anyways, let's take some of these lights out. And then I'm just gonna do some wiping. Do some wiping. Okay, I don't know how much space I'll have on my phone. I'm just hoping that it doesn't cut off on me before I'm done this vlog. Okay, just wipe up here. We got a lot of dirt in there. I get kind of OCD about stuff like this, and I just have to come and get it cleaned out. These ink pens. Trash. So, how's you guys' day is going? I hope everyone is having a very blessed, safe, staying out of trouble, happy type day. As for me, for the last week, I haven't been doing that well because my mind has been on my mama a lot because her birthday is coming up soon. And you guys know that I lost my mom like 4 years ago. And it's very hard. It's very hard. Her birthday is coming up on the 28th of this month. And lately I've just been thinking about her a lot and feeling sad. But I'm just trying to make it and get through it all. I know God will help me through it. Help me through it all. Yeah. So guys, I have, as you can hear, like I said, I have my car running because I have the heater on out here, so it's cranked up. Let's get up in here. So wipe all. Let's get up in here. Get that really clean. Steering wheel. Okay. Let's put this in the trash. Let's get up here. It's also hard keeping this car clean because it's very, very light on the inside. Like, I love the color of this car on the inside. But, yeah, it gets dirty quick like. So, you gotta stay on it because, yeah. And I had to move my car because usually I park my car on the other side of the yard. But we have a lot of birds, angels, over here. And honestly, they like to shit on the car too much. And like, I can't take it. Like, I can't take waking up to bird shit every day all over the car. Like, I can't. And it really bothers me when I try to clean up this car and go wash this car Ow! Ugh, get this ink pen out of my way. It really bothers me when I clean this card really good and then I wake up the next day and it's full of bird shit. Like, that just pisses me the fuck off. Like, really. So, like, when I park the car over here on this side, like, it's much better, angels. Like, for some reason, the birds is not on this side all the time. I think this phone's about to cut off. That's what it seems like. But anyway, they are not over here on this side, so it's like it's not really like a lot of bird shit on the car if I park over here. So I took this space from my husband, and I tell him he have to park on the other side where the bird shit is always, you know, coming down. So anyway, I hope you angels enjoyed. I enjoyed sharing this with you guys, you know, as I clean out my car. And I will be doing more like this, you know, to come. So stay tuned, angels. And I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog right now because my phone is going to be cutting off soon, I think. So make sure you guys check my description box and join my Patreon. And if you want any custom videos, to make sure to email me and let me know. And I will see you, angels, in my next video. Bye, angels.